Hello, welcome to IAS in Depth YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about Indus Valley Civilization, the major sites of Indus Valley Civilization. So if you're talking about Indus Valley Civilization, it was a Bronze Age. We have transitioned from the Neolithic Age towards the Bronze Age. So Neolithic is the last age in the Stone Age. So people started to use bronze. It's an alloy. It's a mix of copper along with the other metal or non-metals. Okay, so Bronze Age. So it started from around 2000 BC to 700 BC. So contemporary civilization, if you're talking about the civilization that had run parallel to Indus Valley civilization, it's ancient Egyptian civilization as well as Mesopotamian civilization. So if you're talking about ancient Egyptian civilization, we can see it in the African continent, present day African continent, on the banks of Nile River in Sudan as well as in Egypt. Okay. And if you're talking about Mesopotamian civilization, it's in the rivers, it's on the banks of the rivers Tigris and Euphrates in present day Iraq, Syria, as well as, some portions of Iran as well. Jordan. Jordan is not near to the river, but you can say that it's near to Euphrates and Tigris. So majorly Syria as well as Syria is in the highlands region. So majorly in Iraq, right? Iraq is located in the lower parts, so it's lowlands. So we can see agriculture on the banks of the river Euphrates and Tigris in Iraq. Now it flourished on the basins of the Indus River. If you're talking about Indus Valley civilization, it had flourished on the basins of the Indus River. Indus River starts from present day China and then it flows through Jammu and Kashmir in the Indian territory, and then it flows into Pakistan, and then it joins Arabian Sea to the west of India, right? Okay, and in the south of towards the south of Pakistan. So major sites major sites associated with Indus Valley civilization are Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Dholavira, and Rakhigarhi. We'll study the sites in detail in next slides. Okay, so there are 5 important tributaries as part of Indus River or tributaries of Indus River. These are Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, and Satluj. Now, Indus Valley sites in Uttar Pradesh. So, in Uttar Pradesh, in the state of Uttar Pradesh in India, we can see or we can locate the Indus Valley sites in the northwestern part of Uttar Pradesh in the districts of Meerut, Saharanpur, Bagpat, and Muzaffarnagar. I have given the approximately precise location of these sites. Alamgirpur in Meerut, so this is Alamgirpur, and Badgaf in Saharanpur, and Hulas in Saharanpur, as well as Sinoli in Bagpat, Soti in Bagpat, as well as in Muzaffarnagar district, Mandi in Muzaffarnagar district. Now, in Haryana, we can see Harappan sites in or Indus Valley sites in Kaital district, Fatehabad district, Bhiwani district, Hisar district, Kurukshetra, as well as Rohtak. So, in the eastern part, we can see Kurukshetra as well as Kaital and also Rohtak in the eastern part. So you can see the locations, I mean sites in Rohtak, Farmana, in Kaital, Balu, as well as in Kurukshetra, Jognakera. So these sites are located on the banks of Yamuna River. So here is Yamuna River flowing as the border between Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Now to the western parts, we can see other important sites like Raki Gadi, Hisar Mount, as well as Siswal. So these sites are located in the district of Hisar, and Tigrana Midatal in Bhiwani in the southern part, as well as Banavali, an important Indus Valley site, Birana, as well as Kunal in Fatehabad. Okay. Now, if you are talking about Gujarat, the largest number of sites located is located in the Indian state of Gujarat. Now, in Gujarat, in Kutch district, you will be able to see this. So here is Kutch district. You will be able to see a number of Indus Valley sites like Desalpur here, then Shikarpur. Shikarpur is here, and Kotada, and then Dolavira. This is a very important site, Dolavira, and Surkatoda. It is also a very important site. Pabumat. It is also a very important site. Kherasana and Goladoro, Juni Kuran. So these are the sites located in Kutch district, and in Devbhumi Dwaraga district, Bet Dwaraga, and in Surat, in the eastern part, you'll be able to see Malwan, and in Ahmedabad, you'll be able to see Rangpur and Lothal, Ahmedabad district, and Rajkot, you'll be able to see Rojdi as well as Kuntasi. Okay, so these two sites are located in Rajkot district, and in Gir Somnath district, you'll be able to see Kaj as well as Kanchitar, and in Bharuch, you'll be able to see Bagatraf, so it's north of Surat, and in Saurashtra, you'll be able to see Babarkot and Kerala Nodhoro, right, in the southeastern part of this peninsula, Kathiawar Peninsula, Kathiawar Peninsula. In Rajasthan, you'll be able to see Indus Valley sites in the northern part of Rajasthan, like in Sri Ganganagar district, Barur, as well as in Hanumangarh district, one of the most important site in the Indus Valley civilization, Kalibangan, and also Karanpura. Now, in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, you'll be able to see an important site named Manta in Jammu, in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. In Maharashtra, in Ahmednagar district, Daimabad is an important Indus Valley site. Now, in Punjab, in Ropar or Rupar, Roopnagar, same. In Roopnagar district, you'll be able to see Ropar. Alright, so I hope the sites are very clear for you. To watch more videos of this type, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please like, share and comment this video. And to join our civil service course, please visit iasindept.com. Course is online. There will be 126 recorded lectures and a test series with 2400 plus questions. There will be class notes, 100 plus flashcards, and you can also practice previous year's question papers. Medium of instruction is English. So thank you all of you. See you in next video.